That is this nice.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special.
Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adobe, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I am prepping for the new year. Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year. I know I've said this enough times for you guys to know, but I've been spending the last couple of days, well actually just yesterday and today, cleaning the whole house, like deep cleaning, just because we're entering the new year, everything needs to be spotless. So yesterday I washed the bathrooms, I selected the clothes that I want to give out and throw out because I just realized I was piling up clothes that I hardly wore. So I already divided them, so I just need to put those together. And then I also mopped like the hard floor. I need to sweep it and then put all the bathroom rugs back. So we're going to be starting off with those ones and then move on to the bedroom. And then after the bedroom, this room, I already arranged it. I just need to vacuum and then we should be good. Yeah, let's go get that and get started or continue. Today is the next day. Today is... Wait, are you sure today is not 25th? The last 2 days I've used it to clean, so the house is looking a lot better than it was before. Everywhere feels like really, really clean. So the next thing I'm going to do is my husband is going to set up the Christmas tree. I need to clear the kitchen. I cleared it a little bit yesterday, but I wasn't able to get much done. I made some stew. I made beans and rice. I wasn't supposed to make a lot of that, but I don't know, I didn't measure the beans and rice properly. I just wanted to make stew so I can make jollof rice tomorrow and chicken and grill some chicken. Somehow I went to this Asian place where they sell like food, even yam and everything. And I saw that they were selling turkey, and I've been craving turkey for a very long time, so I bought turkey. I boiled it and then air fried it. It tastes so good. It tastes like just the one like that we normally buy in Lagos. It's really good. Then I baked some Irish potatoes. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is just portioning the stew, because the stew is a lot. The stew tastes so good. 7 of stew, and I still have about 1 more in the pot that I'm going to leave for jollof rice tomorrow, or we'll use some of it for the yam that I want to boil right now. Put those away, and then I have some turkey stock that I'm going to use for the rice tomorrow as well. I need to go and buy basmati rice because that's what I want to cook for tomorrow. The whole of the morning I actually went to get basmati rice and get a flu shot, but I somehow went on a shopping spree. So I went to Ulta first, where I went to Walmart. The stuff I got at Walmart are downstairs, so I'll show you the ones I got at Ulta, which are already upstairs here in the beauty room. I haven't shown you guys my beauty room yet, or have I? Let me know if you guys want a tour. It's a beauty room slash a workspace. So I have my beauty set up here and I have my workspace set up there. But let me show you guys. So the first item that I got is this Morphe Jumbo setting spray. This is by far the best setting spray that I've ever used, and this is the bigger size compared to the other one I had. Really good spray if you're looking for a nice spray to use. What is that stuff that keeps jiggling? I knew it. So I was like, why is this thing shaking? So I fixed it now. And then I got niacinamide for my face. This is the new moisturizer that I've been using. It's really good. It just helps like minimize my pores and also just smoothing out my face, especially when I just clean my face. My face will just be feeling like a baby's bottom anytime I use this stuff. It's really good. And then I wasn't going to get a body scrub. I was wondering why this was so expensive. It used to be like $8 or $7. This tea tree hot, a busy tree hot body scrub. Anyways, because they don't always have like a lot of fragrances, a lot of like variety, I saw this one. I was like, okay, I have to get this. This is called Exotic Bloom. It's the blue one, and that's what it says here, exotic bloom. Really good stuff. And of course I got a new perfume. I've been wanting to get this My Way perfume, and this is the intense one. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, probably not as long lasting as I would like, but this is really good fragrance, and my fragrance collection is steadily growing. So this is, if you ask me, this is a fragrance between the Valentino and the YSL intense perfume. Really good. Smells really good. This is when you're going for like a client presentation and you want to show who is boss, and like spray pim. The Valentino one is when you want to do like, when you want to feel like a baby girl. Like that Valentino, this is like my second or third bottle. Smells so good. I love it. And because I got the perfume, they are doing like sale thingy, so you get like either a throw pillow or this one. So I picked up a rope. I chose the rope option instead, and this is what it looks like. Yep, love it. So I'm not gonna wear this now, maybe I don't know, when I feel like. All right, so that's all I wanted to show you upstairs here. Let's go downstairs. I'm actually making jollof rice, basmati jollof rice, and I feel like I added too much salt and seasoning, so I'm waiting for it to boil out, because of course I don't want to add too much water. So let's go downstairs and I'll show you the other stuff downstairs now. And as you can see, just making jollof rice. Simmer. But yeah, so let me show you guys. I've been looking for PS5 for the longest time, and went to Walmart to get my flu shot, and we saw this one available, so we grabbed it. This is the disc one. I asked them if I can use like the digital download one. They told me yes, but I don't know because I've never used a PS5 before, so I decided to just get it for my husband. So I asked him which one, like what type of games does he like playing. He mentioned like the FIFA one, so we got this one, and then I got an extra console for myself. So we have, I just make sure that they're the same. And then this one is the one that comes with a free game. So you get a free game. So that's that we got. And then I got a shoe rack, because the one I have currently is just the 2-tier one. Honestly, I think it's 2-tier, and then this one is 4-tier, so this should fit enough shoes. And I'm going to put it in the closet there where we put hang our coats and put our shoes. But every other thing is going on well. Today I have to film my December monthly reset. I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to set up time to film it. I'm trying to decide what I should wear for the video. I mean, this is good, but I don't know. And then I have to figure out where to set up, because I brought the tree that I usually use as the background prop downstairs and put it beside the TV just to make it a little bit more inviting, you know. So once I get upstairs, I'll figure it out. I probably will film it upstairs because I like the lighting coming from the room. I could also use downstairs here, but we'll see. Maybe I'll just mix and match it. But I'm so excited, guys. Holiday. Christmas is almost here. Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year. The lights were the ones I saw at Walmart for like $9.95 or so. It was pretty inexpensive. All right, so let's unbox this. Set up. I'm downloading the free game it came with. Then when I'm done with that, I'm gonna try to connect the second controller. I just hope that it doesn't have to be this way, because plugging it this way is just doesn't make any sense. So let me see. Yeah, it's wireless, thank God. So let's wait for it to finish downloading the large files. So the jollof rice is almost ready. The last set of 2 chicken is grilling. I don't know, should I record my October resets like today, so I can use today and tomorrow to edit it and then have it go live tomorrow? That's what I'm still thinking about. And if I'm going to do that, I'll have to have my bath first and then set up. It's that setting up, even though it's not a lot of setup, that is just like taking the time away. But we'll see. I think I'll just record the Jerry, and the PS4 5 is, I keep saying 4, but it's still downloading. I mean, the free game they gave us. I think I'll just go and set up so I can film that today and just know that I've knocked that out. And then the next 2 videos that I'm editing would go live the following week. So yeah, let's do that. So let me go and set up. Alright guys, so let me set up for my monthly reset. I'll see you guys. Bye.